If you are looking to buy your hosting from Hostinger, then this may be the best time to buy your hosting from Hostinger. Why? Because right now, 89% discount deal is running at Hostinger. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, which I have gathered from Hostinger, from your audience, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see a special 30 days money back guarantee running right now when you plan to buy. Now this is one of the best features why I opted for Hostinger along with their reviews. When you want to buy, you need to look around in the trust and credibility. So Hostinger provided me with 30 days money back guarantee and with their amazing reviews. And yeah, don't worry, I'm going to tell you how you can get up 89% discount as well. So stay with me. So look around at the reviews first. So the reviews are just amazing. You can see around over here. The reviews are 5 star, 5 star, 5 star. Some are 4 stars, and all of the reviews are very tempting and good. So which inspired me to opt for Hostinger. So scroll below. And another thing which I like with Hostinger is that the Hostinger Horizons, through which you can create AI websites within minutes. You just have to give the command; it's automatically going to create websites. Hostinger also supports WordPress. Even my blog is on WordPress, and Hostinger also has a dedicated migration to hosting a service. So if you are coming from another hosting company to Hostinger supports with this. So this is another best feature which I like from Hostinger. Scroll below and look around on them. These are some made with hosting our websites, and these are now come to the exclusive 89% discount part. So this is an exclusive part, so make sure to click on the link in the description. So this is the exclusive, or you can call it the best part, which I like it. So now I'm going to tell you how you can get as much as up to 89% discount. So once you click on the description and then you are landed over here, first I want you to do a thorough research of all these plans: premium, business, and cloud startup. These three plans are amazing. Hostinger offers you, but there are differences between features. For instance, in the premium, you can host up to 3 websites, 20 GB SSD storage, 2 mailboxes per website. In the business plan, you can create up to 50 websites, 50 GB NVMe storage. So NVMe is faster than SSD. So do a comparison of this well, and 5 mailboxes per website, and other additional features as well. So do a thorough search. And the cloud startup, you can create up to 100 websites, 100 GB of NVMe storage, and 10 mailboxes per website. So do a comparison of all these things before you opt for. Now you can get up 89% on the business plan. So once you click on the link in the description, simply select the choose plan. Now you can choose other plans as well. All of the plans are best. It just depends upon your personal preference. I use the premium plan for the first year, and from the second year onwards I'm using the business plan, and I'm very satisfied. I can consider this one of the best plans, or one of the best decisions I have ever opted for. Now, once I click on the choose plan, you are landed over here. Hosting can offer you 4 billing periods: 1, 12, and 24 and 48 months. If you ask me, my opinion is to offer the 48 months, so you can save the maximum amount of money, because these prices won't appear again. So take the maximum out of it by opting for the 48 months. These are special exclusive prices, so take the maximum. And after this, see your order summary over here. Everything is loaded now. You can claim your free domain right now over here, or later on through the Hostinger control panel as well. So I'm going to write it just for an example. This is just to show you an example. I am getting it free for the first year over here. So you can see over here I can make it 1 year, so I do not have to pay anything additional, because the free domain is only valid for the first year. So my order summary over here, your coupon code is loaded, or you can use the other coupon code. All of the coupon codes are being mentioned in the description of this video. You can use either of the coupon code to grab this amazing discount at Hostinger. So look around on these. I'm just sharing with you, writing it down over here. These coupon codes are mentioned in the description of this video, along with a special discount link. So once you apply over here, you can see your order summary over here. Everything is fine. Now you can see your 30 days money back guarantee and reviews as well. Now simply select the continue to move on to the last part, and you may be asked to log into your Hostinger account or need to create a new account. But since I'm already logged in, which is why I'm at the last part, I can see my order summary over here, and now coupon code is applied. Now I have to write the billing details over here and simply move on to the payment methods. Now at Hostinger. So once I do this, now at Hostinger offer you variety payment methods. I'm already logged in, so it's showing me my cards as well. So you can use other payments as well along with the credit card. Hostinger offer you PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, and CoinGate. So guys, you have variety payment methods to choose. You can choose any as per your convenience. So just for a revision, make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code to enjoy your amazing hosting from Hostinger. I've been using Hostinger from the last 5 years and my experience is very good, which is why I highly recommend you to enjoy these amazing deals from Hostinger. So good luck with the hosting from Hostinger. So good luck and enjoy and take the maximum out of it. Good luck.